Speaking on the business of building drawing, part one, and building drawings, we are all familiar with the term, even those in the construction industry and those outside the industry knows and can even define building drawings, either professionally or not. And building drawings are the technical illustrations used in the construction drawing. For any building to be placed on the earth, on the surface of the earth, there must be a drawing, there must be a guide. So building drawings is that guide, is that roadmap, is that illustration that will tell whosoever or the group of persons, whoever that is going to erect that building drawing or that building to follow the steps to follow to achieve that, the specifications, the steps, the guide, the roadmap, or anything or any adjective you want to use for it. But our focus here is to talk about the business of the building drawing because the building drawing is a skill, is a skill, is a handwork, is a profession, it's something you will learn. It can be likened to you learning coding or graphics or digital marketing or any other kind of skills around the world today. And in learning every skill, there's a goal of you knowing how to monetize, how to make money from that skill. So that is where the business, this topic comes into play, the business of that skill called building drawing. Because one of the reasons why we learn building drawing is for us to build for people or to design and build for people, to have clients, to make money, to take care of ourselves, to take care of our families, and to contribute positively to our communities. So this monetization is very, very crucial because if you are not making money from the building drawing, which you do, you are most likely going to lose interest in it and looking for different paths to use about. Because in our society today, there are many people who knows how to build drawings, who knows how to design beautiful drawings, but they are not making money from it. So they tend to lose interest and gain interest in some other things that will give them the money they desire. So we have already talked about the definition of building drawings. And as you fly out today, this is a typical building drawing. This is a complete building drawing. And inside it, you see both architectural drawing, structural drawing, mechanical, electrical. Very soon, in our next video, we'll be opening these drawings to you to illustrate how you can make money from them. But this building drawings is crucial. One, building drawings are crucial for communication. Architects, engineers, surveyors, they need a language to communicate in the site. They need a language, even the client, they need a language to communicate, to interact with in the site. So this building drawings brings all these professionals together. So it serves as a communication tool. Building drawing is also a construction guide. You can't erect a building on the surface of the earth without a building drawing. So just know that you have a valuable skill or you are going to get a valuable skill by knowing or learning how to do building drawings. So it's a very, very valuable skill. So because it is the only construction guide. So without the architectural drawing, without the structural, every other building drawings whatsoever, there will be no construction. In fact, in most cases, you tend to do mistake if you choose to erect your building without a building drawing. It's also a regulatory guide also because any locality you find yourself before you are going to build anything whatsoever, you are going to obtain approval from the local authorities of your state, of your country, or wherever you're watching from. So building drawings, your government agencies ensures that whatever has been drawn on that paper are in line with standards, with regulatory standards, with like they meet the regulations necessary for approval and permit for that building to be done. It also helps in project planning. That is why sometimes you see some person asking you how much, what is the cost of erecting a 6-story building, or what is the cost of erecting a 6-bedroom duplex. No one can give you a defined or a very true cost because there is no drawing. So once there's a drawing, you or a quantity surveyor or a valuer can estimate or give you a detailed amount of what will be the cost of building a 3-bedroom bungalow or a duplex or a high-rise building, any building at all. So building drawing is the guide for project planning. With your building drawing also, you can now also use to evaluate how long this building can take in duration, how many months, how many days, weeks it can take. So it is a project planning guide. So without a building drawing, no one can give you a cost. So Many of you having the idea of a 5 bedroom duplex will cost around roughly 50 million naira. It's not true. It's not fixed. It can cost 50 million naira for a particular 5 bedroom duplex. It can cost less than 50 million naira. It can cost higher than 50 million naira, depending on your own country currencies at the same time. So the building drawing is the complete guide, is the whole guide on project planning. When we talk about building drawing skill, it's very, very important that you alone don't only learn the skill, but you also learn how to make money, how to make good earn from the skill. And one of the ways we can actually do that is by understanding the skill itself. A person can know how to do something, but they don't really understand the skill itself. As a person can know how to sing, but they don't really understand music itself. A person can know how to build. However, you can meet a mason on site and can say you can build this 5 bedroom bungalow, but they don't really understand building construction itself. Persons can know how to do one thing or the other. Even in our topic today, persons can know how to design buildings. Persons can know how to create floor plans, how to roof, how to sections, how to draw structural drawing, how to render, how to draw mechanical drawings, but they don't know the thing they're doing itself. They don't know the theory, they don't know the principles, the concept, the fundamental tools that guide the thing. So what we are not doing now is to pick all these points together before we delve deeply into different strategies, different ways you can use to market these skills. And it's not limited to either you can do it yourself. So the whole teaching here is either you can do the building drawings, either you cannot do it. This is for you. The business of building drawing is a whole captured on everybody interested in making money from building drawing, either knowing how to do it or not. Everybody can make money from building drawing. However, we can have contractors. However, we can have contractors, yes, who collect building contracts, either building drawing contracts, either building construction contracts, but they don't know how to do it. So they get these jobs, then employ the hands of those who can do it, and they also make their profit. Whether you're a contractor or you want to be a contractor, this whole chapter from this one to the next one are for you.